This energizing scrub replaces a traditional shampoo and deeply cleanses the scalp and the hair. It's the first step of your routine. Wet the hair. Start gently applying a walnut-sized amount to the scalp. Go from the top, on the temples, on the crown, and on the nape. Gently massage the scalp. Add water from time to time to help the product to create a thick foam. Rinse thoroughly. Always follow with the treatment on the length and the ends. It's ideal to use the energizing scrub once a week. FUSIO Scrub leaves the scalp free to breathe, deeply purified, roots highly lifted, hair fully volumized, shinier and with a lightweight feel.